Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make this one-pan Mexican chicken and rice. This Mexican chicken and rice is so flavorful and it's also super easy to make. You have tender chicken thighs cooked in a bed of Mexican rice, and I guarantee your whole family is going to love it. So let's get started. I'm going to begin by making our rub for our chicken. So in this bowl I have 1 teaspoon of paprika. And to that, I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of oregano, and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. And it's as simple as that. And I'm gonna mix this until it's well combined. I actually made this the other night and my son loved it so much, he said, "Mommy, did you make a video of this? Because it's totally video worthy." So here I have 5 chicken thighs with the bone in, and I remove the skin, but you could totally leave the skin on. I'm not a fan of chicken skin, so it's a preference. And if you want, you could also use boneless, skinless chicken thighs. So now I'm gonna go ahead and season them with our rub, and I'm also gonna season it with some salt and pepper. I've been kind of obsessed lately with making one-pan chicken and rice recipes, and this is basically another variation of it. Plus, my whole family loves Mexican rice. And the chicken just comes out so tender when it's cooking at the same time with the rice. So I'm gonna go ahead and season the other side, and then we're ready to cook it. Over at the pan here that I heated over medium-high heat, I'm gonna add some olive oil and I'm gonna sear the chicken. We're not gonna completely cook these through at this point. I'm just looking to get a nice golden brown color since it'll finish cooking with the rice. This will take about 3 minutes per side. If you guys are new on here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button along with the notification bell. I've cleaned up my pan and I'm gonna add a little bit more olive oil, and I'm gonna saute 4 minced garlic cloves. And I'm just gonna saute until it becomes fragrant. This will take about 30 seconds or so. Now I'm going to add in 1.5 cups of rinsed long grain rice. And I'm gonna toast this up for about a minute. This dish is perfect for a weeknight meal. It's pretty easy to prep, and I love how everything just kind of cooks together in one pan. Now I'm going to add in 2 cups of water, along with 8 ounces of canned tomato sauce, and 1 tablespoon plus 1 teaspoon of chicken bouillon powder. This is going to give our rice so much flavor, and I'll leave a link to the one I use in the description below. Now I'm going to return the chicken thighs back to the pan. Once I've added them all in, I'm going to bring everything to a boil, and then I'm going to reduce the heat to medium-low, and then I'm going to cover and let it cook for about 25 minutes until our chicken is cooked through and our rice is tender. While the chicken and rice is cooking, I'm going to chop up some fresh cilantro, and this is going to give it some nice color, some nice texture, and great flavor. I know some people despise cilantro, but I'm a huge cilantro lover. You could also chop up some green onions. That'll work very nice in this recipe as well. All right, let's take a look. It is looking so good, you guys. To finish it off, I'm gonna add the juice of 1 lime. You can also do this to taste. The lime is gonna add a bit of tanginess and more flavor to this dish. My son actually likes extra lime on his. And last but not least, I'm gonna sprinkle over some chopped cilantro. And it just looks really pretty against this orangey red colored rice. And like I mentioned before, if you don't like cilantro, you can also add some chopped green onions. And there you have it. I also have the full written recipe in the description below. So the chicken and rice are nice and cooked through, and it's time to serve it up. And I'm just gonna get some rice first.
You could also cook up some side veggies, maybe some corn or bell peppers and onions, whatever you guys like. I'm gonna place a piece of the chicken on top. Squeeze a little bit more lime for me. And then more cilantro. All right, moment of truth. Time to give it a try. Oh gosh, this chicken is so tender, you guys. Get a little bit of rice. Here's the perfect bite. Cheers, you guys. Mmm. So flavorful. Everything just kind of goes together. It's such a comforting dish. You guys have to give it a try. Please like, subscribe, hit that bell notification, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care.